This is a really cool, refreshing question. It's a little odd, and it tests your understanding of inequalities and how to plot inequalities. So first of all, let's plot some of these. So if you're not sure how to plot an inequality, the first thing you want to do is treat it like a line. So suppose that this were y equals negative x plus 3. You'd know how to plot that because that's in point-slope form, right? The coefficient of x is your slope, and the coefficient of the standalone coefficient, that's your y-intercept. So let's draw, I'm going to draw a plot over here. So let's do, so the y-intercept is 3, and the slope is negative. So we've got a line that looks like that. But of course, that's just a line. What we really want is an inequality. So it's not y equals, it's actually y is less than that. When you say y is less than that, what that means is I want to take everything, for every point that I have, I want everything that is less than it. So, and these are all arrows, right? So it's actually the entire region below this line. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other line. So suppose we treat this like a line, y equals x minus 3. Now we know we have a y-intercept of negative 3. And we have a positive line which goes like this. And we want y is, again, less than that. So we're going to draw everything straight down like this. And it turns out this where this point occurs is really important. So let's be a little bit more clear about that. So these are positive. It's a slope of -1 and +1. So if this is a y-intercept of 3 and it's a negative line, so this is going to be 3, 0 is where these connect. 3, 0 for the blue line, and it's also going to be 3, 0 for the red line. So make sure that you draw that properly, because it's really important that we not have even a tiny little bit of this spill over into quadrant 1, because that will make us get the answer wrong. So when it says the solution to the system, what you need is the quadrants that have answers that satisfy both of these. And notice that, so quadrant, this is how you number quadrants, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice that we've got some of this region. Definitely quadrant 4 is covered for sure, right? It's got some red and some blue in it. Quadrant 1 does not. Quadrant 1 has some red in it, but not actually. There's no region in quadrant 1 which satisfies both red and blue. In quadrant 2, we've got blue, but we don't have any red. In quadrant 3, actually down here, we've got an area that is part red and part blue. This whole section down here is covered by both. So we want quadrants 3 and 4, which is answer choice A.